Ever wondered how gasoline is separated from crude oil or alcohol is separated from water? These processes rely on distillation, an essential technique in chemical engineering. At the University of Sydney, we have a laboratory-scale distillation column that brings these principles to life. To make learning even more immersive, we introduce the Augmented Reality Distillation Column Experience, your interactive gateway into the world of separation processes. This isn't just another static diagram. With our hands-on 3D AR model, you can explore every detail, see components in action, and truly understand how distillation works, right from your device. Before you begin, make sure you have Vuforia installed on your phone. It's the software that powers this AR experience, helping you interact with the model seamlessly. Getting started is as simple as scanning a QR code. Just point your camera, tap the link, and boom, the distillation column comes to life. Once inside the AR interface, you can rotate it, zoom in, and tap on different parts to unlock interactive descriptions that make learning fun and intuitive. Ready to explore? Here's how to make the most of the AR experience. Learn more. Read to learn general information about distillation and distillation columns. Peek inside. Make the walls transparent for a detailed view of internal flows. Assemble or disassemble column. See an exploded view of the distillation column. Toggle tray versus packed columns. Compare how different designs impact separation efficiency. Show and hide flows. See where the feed enters and the distillate exits. Tap on components. Learn what each part does and why it matters. This AR tool connects theory with reality, so when you step into the actual lab, everything makes sense. Beyond the classroom, it also serves as an interactive resource for industry professionals to demonstrate distillation principles quickly and effectively. Importantly, this AR experience enhances accessibility for underprivileged students by allowing them to engage with complex equipment virtually, enabling meaningful learning without physical lab access. This can lead to deeper understanding, improved academic performance, and greater confidence in core chemical engineering concepts. As AR technology continues to evolve, this innovative learning platform will only become more impactful. Now it's your turn. Make sure Vuforia is installed, scan the QR code, explore the AR model, and take your understanding of distillation to the next level. Welcome to the future of chemical engineering education, where AR makes learning immersive, engaging, and fun.